How to resolve issues printing PDFs from Adobe Reader in Windows 11. Uninstalling and reinstalling the latest version of Adobe Reader often resolves common printing issues. On your computer, from the taskbar, click the search icon. In the search box, type Apps and Features and then select it from the results. In the list of installed programs, look for Adobe Reader and then click the menu icon to the right of the app. From the menu, select Uninstall. When prompted, click Uninstall. Click Yes in the pop-up window. After Adobe Reader uninstalls, close all programs and restart the computer. Open a web browser and go to get.adobe.com/reader and follow the instructions to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Open the PDF file that you want to print in Adobe Reader DC, and then print it. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. If you cannot print your PDF using a plugin or any other method outside of Adobe Reader, change the default program for viewing PDF files. In Windows, click the search icon in the taskbar. In the search box, type Default Apps and then select it from the results. In the search bar, type .pdf and then, from the search results, select the default app to open PDF files. Select Adobe Acrobat Reader DC from the list of apps. Then click OK and close the windows. Try printing the original PDF file again. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Print a different PDF file to determine if the issue occurs with a specific PDF file or all PDF files. Close the original PDF and open a different PDF file. Print the PDF. If the alternate file prints, the problem is related to the original file. Edit the file to make it smaller in size or continue to the next step. If printing the PDF does not work in its original format, print the PDF as an image. Open the original PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Click File, select Print, and then select Advanced. Select Print as Image, and then select OK. Select Print to print the PDF as an image. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.